Okay, last session, what we did that we are able to run it with like this 0.1, blah, 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 something like that. Okay, sounds good. And you may think, oh, what if this guy run one run, the next guy has to bat? I know that's kind of a small glitch, like small hiccups. Like we don't want to address this right now because that's going to open up like big complex stuff. Okay, we'll go still low key mode, which is like easier mode. Okay, I want to run it for 3 overs. How do I do it? Okay, so I'm gonna copy like play innings, def play innings. Okay, play single innings. Then inside play single over. Oh, sorry, yeah, single over. Sounds good. Then here I want to write play single innings. Instead of this, I want to run this. Then I want to run it for I in range of how many overs? I'm gonna say 3 overs now. I hard coded it. That's okay. No problem. Sounds good. Cricket. Zero positional arguments. It was zero positional arguments. Oh yeah, this is not given. Okay. Over index. Okay. Here I'm going to select. Okay. This over index. This is the over index. Sounds good. Let's give it a try. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, the ball. Then after 6, I want to give a break. I want to give like line gap. Okay. So what I'm gonna do it after this, print off like this. But instead of doing like this, I'm gonna say int of 10. It will automatically pick up. That's a power of Python actually. 1, 2, nice. 10 is not enough. I'm gonna go for 30. Okay? And 0 0.5 seconds, 0.1 second is not enough. I'm gonna keep on the top. Sleep seconds. Sleep gap. Sleep gap seconds. 0 0.5. 0 0.3 is fine, maybe. Sounds good. Then I'm gonna remove this. No, not this one. Maybe this. Range of 3 over. Innings per over. Sorry. Over per innings. Overs per innings. 3. I'm gonna copy this. I'm gonna use this here. Sounds good. Perfect. This one, that's okay. I don't right now. I don't mind it. So I made those constants upside easy. Later we'll put the constant somewhere else. Sounds good. Perfect. Easy. Nice. First over, blah 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 blah. Sounds good. Okay. I'm gonna say that inning started, blah blah blah. Okay. Since these are the Canadian, some say Canadian play names. Sounds good. Where is that Canadian play names? Player name. Okay, yeah. Sounds good. Not a big thing. Maybe I'll do 2 overs. 3 overs is too much for me. Okay. Sounds good so far. I want to get luck. Every over, after every over, I want to show score. Okay. Sounds good. Score per over. Score this over equal to 0. Then I want to copy that. So player play single ball. To play a single ball, we'll have to return the run actually. Current run. Sounds good. I get the current run. C run. I call it C run. Okay. Then that's okay. C run. Sounds good. I'm gonna say print off. Score f string of this for this up, this up, something. Let's give it a try. Zafad scored 13 this over. Nice. So which team scored this over? I don't have an idea. So I'm gonna say team A, name Canada. Team B name we'll use it later. Okay, team A name. So innings, I'm gonna use this as a variable, so I'm gonna use this inning. So team A name, innings. Okay. Single innings, team name. Okay. Sounds good. I'm gonna use this one. Team name hyphen. Play innings over. Here I need to use team name. Sounds good. So I'm gonna say team score. Let's give it a try. So far it's okay. Canada scored 22 this over. Scored. Okay, so far. Okay. I need to get the overall score. After single innings, I'm gonna say overall score. So I'm gonna copy this. Scored overall. Final score. Sounds good. But it's not scored for this over. Okay, I need to return this score as well. Return the score. Sounds good. And I'm gonna say inning score. Okay, I'm gonna copy. So here I need to sorry, it's not inning score. Over scored per over. Something like that. This is inning score. Inning score equal to 0. I'm gonna copy inning score plus equal to score per over. Sounds good. I'm gonna get this inning score. Sounds good. Zod, Zafar score, blah blah blah. Canada score. I want to have a small gap between this and the other one. Okay, what can I go? Simple line gap. Where is that? Print off slash n. I can do that. But I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna keep this as a line gap. So definition of print line gap. Okay. Print off slash n. But I want to have how many lines gap? Maybe I'll keep one line right now. Then I use this. We'll improve this one later. Okay. So far, okay. Canada score. Why? Why get two of them? Why? What do we get two? Oh yeah. Slash n. That's it. Sounds good. Perfect. So I want to show the score exactly like the score bar. Okay, scored. Instead of say score, sorry, here, score this over. I'm gonna say 0 wicket. Keep it 0 for hard coding. Then in 2 overs. In over index. Over index plus 1. Okay, in one overs. Nice. This is really nice. Akil Kumar, Sreya Mova. Every time we change the player. That sounds good. This is good actually. That turned out really good. So let's go for the second team. Okay. Let's improve the second team. I need to have a second team in it. Okay. And I have Canadian players. So there's like now they played Australian players. Okay. Australia. Who do I like more? Who's my favorite guy? I forgot all of them. But David is fine. David T. Tim David, yes. Tim David. Okay, sounds good. Where's the other guy? Bolan? What the heck is that? Cummings. Okay, Cummings. Yes, Cummings. Let's do one more. Abbott, Ellis, Green. Let's call it Green. Sounds good. Okay, so team B name equal to Australia. Australia. Team B name. This is school single innings. Team A, Team A name, Team B name. Sounds good. So I want to have a single match. Okay. So play single match. One match will have two innings, like the player one, player two. Now keep it as one, keep it here. Play single match. Okay. Then I need to get the team name. Team name. Let's say team name first name. Okay. Team A call to Canada. Team A name. Oh, it's already there. Team A, it's already there. Okay. And team B. Sounds good. Okay, I'm gonna say line gap, print line gap of. Now I need to have more gaps. Okay. Uh, Maybe I'll do it right now. Later we'll improve it. Okay. So single ball and single innings. So I'm gonna say print off team name is batting something like that. Okay. And then no, that's my print line gap. Cas batting now. Sounds good. Australia is batting now. Sounds good. Okay. So I need to check who's winning. Okay. I need to get the team name. Team A final score equal to something. Then team B final score. Sounds good. I need to return this one score. Inning score. Sounds good. I got it. I got the returns. Then I'm gonna say if team B score is more than team B score is more than team A score, team B wins. Print off team A, team B wins. Okay, if not, there is one more LF. Equal, double equal. It's a tie. It's a tie between team A and team B. Team B. Sounds good. Else, automatically, team B wins. Sorry, team A wins. Sounds good. Let's give it a try. Yeah, else none. What's corner? That's it. Panning now. Can score. Blah blah blah. Blah blah blah. Blah blah blah. Easy. Very nice. I'm gonna increase the sleep gap instead of points. 0.3.7 is good. I'm gonna slow down and watch it carefully. Canada's batting now. First ball, second ball. Nice. Score is fine. So Zafar is fine. Sreyamova is fine. Hmm. Okay, that's nice. This is really nice. Just kidding, blah blah blah. Okay, final score 18. This guy final score 12. But technically, you're winning here actually. But you wouldn't know that. Okay. But we will fix it later. That's gonna create a big complex system. It starts with the easier, but it getting complex over the time actually. We should be okay with that. That's all it is. Okay, we will get there. We'll teach you. Okay, our goal is to have cricket like implemented in a Pythonic way. Cricket is there since 1980s. We Indians took very eagerly into cricket actually because we become a big player in that. We won the cup, then we want to enjoy it. So, but all adaptation factors is really high, and but so far nobody came up with a scoring system called Python in a Pythonic way, in a programmatic way. Nobody tried it actually. But trust me, when did I do this cricket stuff? This is my first program I shared with my first company as a like a proven. They asked me, it's a small startup actually. Okay, and then I asked me, oh, what do you know? Do you know programming? Can you show your programming skills? Then I said, yes, I can do that. And then I was a Java developer at the time. So I wrote everything in Java, and then I ran this cricket actually. The entire tournament I ran it. I was like, they were like, wow, this guy knows what he's talking about. Trust me, they were so surprised. They hired me right away, actually. And this changed my career. And I did not do cricket program just to get a job. I was enjoying it. It was like, okay, I know Java, I know cricket. Why not combining them both? Easy, right? It turns out nobody did like me. Everyone is thinking, oh, Java is only for studies. I need to get a job. I need to learn Java. That's what they thought. What I thought, oh, why can't we do Java in real life? I like cricket. Then I like Java. Why can't we integrate both? Why can't we come up with our own like stuff? Why can't we play together? Trust me, at that time, when I was searching for a job, I have a PC and I had a PC, and then I get to sit down with the Java regularly. And then I get bored. Then I was like, what can we do? Why can't we integrate cricket in Java? Then I started doing it actually. And it was really, really nice. Whenever someone wants to learn uh, any programming, I would say focus on integrating into your gamified stuff. What are the things you like? Gamify it. Gamify and then start learning the programming up to 1,000 hours. Why? Gamification is the best way to learn any kind of a programming. On the other hand, if you don't do gamification, you're gonna get bored over the time. Maybe after 20 years, you're gonna give up. The give up rate is really high if we don't do gamification process. So gamify whatever the way you want. But most of the times, we maybe due to the parental influence, you don't do gamification on the learning stuff. So when it comes to Indian education, people think, oh, it's only for serious things. I'm not gonna gamify. Game is different. Game means I enjoy. Programming means I don't enjoy. So they feel like they're like programming. It's not for me because I don't enjoy anything. So they don't connect programming and gamification process. But on the other hand, what I say is gamify. whatever the way we want. I gamified Java into cricket, and that paved my life. Right now, I do have almost 20 years experience, all the things done, which means like I enjoy my process so far. This is what I needed actually. Okay? Gamification is the best way to learn any kind of a programming. And one more thing, when you try to learn any programming, don't expect the money-based reward within 1,000 to 2,000 hours. Even if you expect very little. Don't expect too much money for the first 2,000 hours. Why? Who were looking for first 2,000 hours rewards, they're gonna give up, they're gonna move on. Okay, maybe it's not giving enough for me, so I'm not gonna learn anything big. So they stop the learning process is stopped actually. Maybe you can give a self reward, but don't expect the reward from the community, reward from the society, reward from any other player. So get rewards from you, that's really hard actually. But this is what changed my life. I was a college second class flunking like student. I flunked like anything in my college days. And then one thing I did different, I gamified the learning. I was like, I enjoyed myself. Then I liked the computers actually. I was not good at engineering. I did not focus much on engineering, but I enjoyed computing. I enjoyed dismantling computer, blah blah blah. I enjoyed a little bit of hardware, most on the software side. I started using programming skills actually, and then I tried every single day. I gave reward to myself, and then I documented everything. I just like cherish my memory. Oh, I did this stuff. I do those stuff. Blah blah blah. I keep on doing it. So I would highly recommend learn this stuff over the time. Actually, that is what you need. Gamification is the best way to learn any programming, especially in the Gen A era. Why? If you don't gamify, you don't get the interest, and then you see like, oh, Gen A tools can do better than me. What am I learning? So I don't see any point of learning it. So gamification will solve that Gen A related problem actually. Okay, that's it. We'll get that in the next session. Thank you.